I'm lit, make my own cash, got my own stash. I'm lit, up against me, they gon' need help. I'm lit, I do me and I do me well.
So today is day 3? I don't know, 2.5. It's a Saturday. And today's beach day finally because Berenice was keeping me from the beach. So we're probably going to the beach after we see something architectural. Oh, and we have to eat. Duh.
Food, that's the most
Food, duh. I forgot.
Always iced coffee.
I don't want to come here and take photos. They have a bunch of art in the staircase. So our hotel provides us with beach towels for the beach, which is really nice. We don't have to go out and buy beach towels. Hopefully they aren't dingy looking. So no one wanted white. She can switch it though. I'm sure. Well, you're fine with everything because you just don't complain. Beach towels. Ooh, it's nice out. I have my one piece underneath my outfit. I didn't really want to wear it out, even though everyone in Miami Beach wear their swimsuits out in the streets. It's so weird vlogging. Everyone's just looking at you with the camera. Oh, it's hot today. It's hotter than yesterday. I'll turn my camera back on when we get to something other than walking. We're at an Italian place and some people went to go get pizza. So we're at Montesino. It looks pretty good. Let's see. Oh my god. Caesar. No croutons. Chino. I mispronounced the word. To this architectural finding, something we learned about in architecture, the history courses. So we're finally here. I'm going to show you what this parking garage is, and maybe my friends can like tell you guys the history of it because I forgot. This is it. So can you tell my watchers why this is so significant?
It's just a cool parking garage, but her talking to Miran is like nothing. it's just different. They wanted to keep it open and cool and like play with the slabs. Like, I don't know. If you're famous, anything you do is cool.
What's so significant about it? Why are we looking at it?
I love that it's open. Usually parking garages are just boring square, massive squares or rectangles, which is, you can't really see inside because, you know, what is there to see cars parked?
People definitely go up
But
there.
yeah, exactly. Which is what I really
You
like
make the
about
parking
this.
garage.
More interactive. It'd be nice to include more greenery inside.
It's a
somewhat.
parking garage.
I know it's a parking garage, but like, what if the columns were like,
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
with like, like
Yeah.
swirling?
we have words. I see it.
That would be really cool.
Are we gonna go up there?
You want to?
Well, we have to at least touch it, right?
I feel like the views are amazing.
Yeah, we
Well-
can go up there for a view.
All right, we're gonna go up there. So there's a store located within this parking garage. I wonder if it was always designed that way. I can't remember. It's Miami Beach. Talking to a dog.
Talking to Katie.
Oh, that's Katie? We're reunited.
You're not gonna like run with my arm? You're not gonna like run with my arm?
This is Finn. Yes. He would love that.
So we reunited with some other friends from college. So now it's 7 of us, no 8 plus a sister and a dog, 9 of us. And now we're on our way to the beach. We're hoping it doesn't rain at all because we really want to hang out at the beach. Right now it's very windy. We have a good group of girls for Berenice. So yeah, it should be fun. I just want to take some photos at the beach and get in the water, but not too much because I don't want any sand in my hair. I'll vlog again when we are at the beach. took so many photos. Two of the girls went back to the hotel to shower. There's two in the ocean right now swimming. And then there's two on the beach laying out reading. And then there's me trying to get this light, this glow. My hair is, everything is just popping right now. Like my wash and go is lit. So yeah, this is my bathing suit. I'm just so happy I'm finally at the beach. It feels amazing out here. Like, it feels so good. My camera is about to die. So I'll see you guys tonight, I guess, when we go out. Bye! Welcome back to my channel. It's day 4 in Miami Beach. How's everyone feeling? I guess they're feeling great. So we're on our way to a pool party, and before that we're gonna go to eat.
That's my standard.
What? Getting ready.
Better than Berenice. Oh. Did you hurt?
No, you don't need to rehearse. It's natural. It's not acting, you know? Keep it real. Because my people gonna like me the way I am. A hot mess. Oh, the hot mess channel. No. I'm still looking for a YouTube name.
I had like life response before this, so.
Yeah, it's cute.
You're gonna need them flowers too.
Okay. It's like a comfort. Oh, so they're not serving breakfast.
We're at our, is this our first Cuban restaurant here? We're at our first Cuban restaurant out here in Miami Beach. It's called Moreno. Chicken quesadilla with black beans, sweet plantains, and mozzarella cheese. It looks really good. Let's party was a dub. Now we're at the beach having a great old time. Hey, Booty Judy knocked down the umbrella. I didn't even touch it. I caught it. I just saw your behind and that on the floor. So we're about to, I think Alina is about to teach us how to play some of her games from, some card games from Morocco. The third time my umbrella flew away. Yeah. We're playing this Arabic card game that looks like Uno.
It's Moroccan cards. It's very fun to play with. They're currently learning the rules, so we'll see how they perform. I think we may have to dig a hole.
Dig a hole first. You guys need help? I think she's dug to the end of the earth. I think it might be okay.
Got this.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't know. Now we have to pack it in.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I never gave you guys a room tour. So I'm like, and it's the last day. Well, today is my last day. I leave early Monday morning, like around 6 a.m. is when my flight leaves. So right now I'm gonna just give you guys a room 202. So as soon as you come in, you walk into basically a bedroom slash kitchenette slash dining room space. There's there's 2 full beds.
2 full.
Which some of us shared. As you walk in, this is our view to the front of the building. And you can see the patio outside and the sign of where we're staying. To the right, we have our kitchenette, a refrigerator, which is actually underneath the counter. We have a microwave. They supplied us with some plates and bowls, utensils, just everything we would need. Here's our dining room table. Our TV, flat screen TV hung up on the wall. It has Bravo and channels like that. And our console. Don't mind the mess. We have a full-length mirror here. To the left, here's the bathroom. Toilet, shower. It's really nice. And this full mirror right here. More than one of us can be, you know, looking in the mirror, doing our makeup and everything else. And then here's the bedroom. This is a king size bed, I want to say. King size bed. There's artwork, as you can see, all around. Dresser, closet. And then another window which leads to the front of the hotel, to the street. Another window. And just a dresser. Don't mind the mess because this is Sunday now. So basically the last day of Berenice's birthday weekend. That's basically the tour of our hotel, room 202. If you're looking for a place to stay in Miami Beach, I will recommend it. Do you guys recommend this place? What do you guys like about it?
It was it's a nice location, 2 blocks from the beach, pretty cheap for the 6 of us.
You get a TV, you get multiple channels, you can watch movies. It's relatively close to a lot of cool restaurants. And
You're like in Miami, like South
Exactly.
Beach, like in it. You're
Yeah.
in it.
The staff's really nice.
They are really nice.
oh my god,
They
beach
give you
towels.
towels.
Yes.
And
You can put your
And they're
leftovers
lovely.
in the fridge and then microwave it for later.
Laundry.
oh,
Free laundry.
Yeah, you can do laundry.
Yes.
Yeah. Free laundry.
For her.
So you can tell who did not wash clothes and who did wash clothes. Yeah, that was the room tour. So that's it.
bye.
Bye.
Gone,